Have you noticed how weird a tube light is? They seem to be everywhere, and we don't really notice that they are there. We just switch a button and the light comes on. However, there's a lot of physics behind how a tube light works. For being such simple objects, they work on deep principles of quantum mechanics as well as electronics and plasma physics. Uh, Having such an interesting thing in your house and not noticing it is quite a thing. So, if you look at a tube light, it just looks like a tube which has like these connectors on either ends. It's often accompanied by this holder which has this weird thing over here. We'll go ahead and explain all of it and how it works. And of course, if you have to explain how a tube light works, you need to get inside the tube light. How do you get inside a tube light? Well, that was anticlimactic. Definitely needs more drama. Well, that's more like it.
Ah, that smells really good. The AC supply is connected in series with a ballast, which is an inductor, which is connected to the tube through a starter switch, which works as a gas discharge lamp. Now, when the voltage enters through the ballast, it first gets filtered through the capacitors and then the two inductors are used to limit the current. They also make use of a transformer to kick up a high voltage that starts the lamp. Once the voltage is high enough, the filaments of the bimetallic switch get heated up and short together, thereby charging up the filaments of the tube. This is repeated till the voltage is high enough to kickstart the tube. You should definitely go check out the cathode ray tube in our lab. It works on the very same principle that we just talked about.
We know that gases consist of neutral atoms and molecules. Yet under certain conditions, a breakdown of insulating properties occur and a current can pass through the gas. The process of conversion of a neutral atom or molecule into an ion by gaining or losing electrons is called ionization. For any gas at a given pressure and temperature, there exists a voltage value called the breakdown potential that will produce ionization. Application of voltage above this critical value would initially cause the current to increase due to cumulative ionization. This creates a path of low resistance called arc, which decreases the voltage. Hence, in fluorescent tubes, once the voltage between the electrodes exceeds the breakdown potential, the gas ionization becomes self-sufficient and very low voltage is sufficient to maintain the required current.
The basic idea of fluorescence is the transition of an electron from the ground state to the excited state and the emission of a photon. An electron absorbs a photon and undergoes a transition from certain ground state's vibrational level to some excited state's vibrational level as shown in the diagram. To go back to the ground state, the electron first undergoes multiple vibrational relaxation as shown by wavy lines, and once it reaches the vibrational level minima of the excited state, it emits a photon, thereby transitioning again to the ground state level. This photon emission is what we call fluorescence. Tube light consists primarily of inert gases inside them, which on ionization releases photons that have wavelength in the UV spectrum. For light to emit in the visible spectrum, the inner region of the tube is coated with phosphor, which primarily absorbs UV and re-emits it by the process of fluorescence in the visible spectrum.
And that, in summary, is how tube lights work. There are three essential components to it.
So the high voltage that is needed is provided by a ballast that kickstarts the ionization.
This high voltage ionizes the gas and creates a plasma which enables current regulation even at low voltage.
The ions give off UV radiations which are absorbed by the phosphor coating, which transition to the ground state and emit the visible light. The transition of electron for this emission of light is because of fluorescence.
Electronics, plasma physics, and quantum mechanics working together make a tube light work. That's the physics of tube lights. Bye-bye.
मेरा ही ट्यूबलाइट था वो। मैं सोचा क्या कर सकते हैं, बच्चे लोग को दे देता हूँ, तोड़े थोड़ा कुछ करें।